The Rich Company property video is presented by Ashley Webb. Great family home in the waterfront community of Sawmill Landing. Sawmill Landing is a peaceful waterfront community with a common area and boat ramp located between Washington and Belhaven and just minutes from historic Bath. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has 9 feet ceilings, an open-concept living area, eat-in kitchen, formal dining room and first-floor master suite with large walk-in closet, and additional heated and cooled living area over the garage. Upstairs, there are 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath with a tub/shower combo. Both bedrooms have double closets and access to the attic area for additional storage. You can also catch a glimpse of the creek when looking out the dormer window. Enjoy your morning coffee while rocking on the large, covered porch and soak up the beauty and peace that surround you. On the back of the house, there is a 16 by 25 wooden deck with bulit and benches that's perfect for entertaining. Attached to the home by a covered breezeway is a 32 by 42 car garage with a 32 by 16 lean-to and a finished room over garage with additional heated/cooled living area. When you walk up the stairs, you walk into a kitchen area with cabinets, sink, refrigerator, and gas/stove. Continuing down the hall, there is a room on the left that could be used as additional sleeping area, office, or storage. On the right, there is a full bathroom with shower, vanity, and toilet. The real showstopper is the large living area with pool table, bar, TV, 8-person dining/game table, and plenty of seating, perfect for entertaining. This property is a must-see, so don't let this opportunity pass you by without scheduling your private showing. For more information,